This is the last video I'll do on the front 4x100 conversion, bar maybe a quick run through of the parts we need, but I'll try and do that now. Okay, so this is it complete. On the setup I'm going for, the only thing I've left to do is put the wheels on with the right tyres, and that's nothing really, but I'll give you a quick rundown of what I've got. I went back to the Suzuki Wagon-R struts with Mira low king springs. The Matiz ones that I used were actually too big for the king springs, but these worked perfectly in the Suzuki Wagon-R struts. So down the bottom I've got Syrian outer CV. This is all for the driver's side, by the way. Syrian outer CV joint that runs back, which is on a short Copen. So passenger side, well actually I don't know, the short Copen CV shaft into, I don't know if you can see it up there, a jack shaft that is found on L500s and L600s or 601s, whatever they are, if you can get them. It goes into the gearbox there. So that's pretty much, oh, and a Copen lower control arm as well. Copen lower control arm, Copen short Copen CV shaft, Syrian outer, the jack shaft and jack shaft CV from the L500 or L501, L600, L601. You get them from Yahoo on Japan or somewhere from Japan, not in Australia, unless you're really lucky. Suzuki Wagon-R strut, Suzuki Mira L200 lowered spring, KDF L81 is the king spring code for that one. So that's all that done. Now the passenger side, pretty much the same deal again. You've got the Syrian M100 hub and knuckle with the brakes. You've got the Syrian outer CV. You've got the Copen or Sior L700, which are the same. Lower control arm. And you've got the short Copen CV shaft on this side. And that goes straight into the gearbox with a Mira L200 CV, inner CV on that. Once again, you got the Suzuki Wagon-R strut, Mira KDF L81 lowered king spring, and yeah, that's about it. Everything bolts up, works. If you can't get the jack shaft at all, the benefit of the jack shaft as well, it's supposed to reduce torque steer, but I'm yet to find that out. I've driven one with it. That's basically everything there. Everything bolts up, lines up, even the brake lines bolt up. I'm just going to put a couple of zip ties to hold, I don't know if you can see that bottom one, and that holds up there. I thought I was going to have to replace it, but because I went back to the Suzuki Wagon-R strut, everything was fine. And there's enough clearance after it's lowered. That's at its max low. It only just touches the rubber there. So yeah, there's going to be no issues there because that'll push up a bit higher and it won't hit. So that's the front. That's the front done. Now I'm going to move on to the back again. I've done some of the back, as everyone knows, but I've decided I'm going to redo the backing plate. I bought some steel to cut the backing plate out of. I just wasn't happy with the welds and just didn't want that little bit of weakness. I've also gone a bit thicker in the plate, due to you needing the plate really needs to be about 8 or 9 mil, so, and the stock plate is about 5 mil, so we'll see how we go with that, but I'm yet to cut that out and so forth. I wanted to get this done first. Now the front's squared away, I'll put the wheels on, drop it down, and then I'll concentrate on the back again. Well, that's the front done. I'll put up a description of parts needed and so forth on dieforum.net.au. No, just dieforum.net. On the forum, I won't put it in Facebook because it's a waste of time and it'll be gone. Well, it's not a waste of time, but it'll be gone within a day or two. So I'll put it there so anyone can come back and reference it at any time. And sorry about my noisy compressor, but working on cars, what do you get? Alright, so that's that part done. I'm happy with it, everything lines up, bolts up, can't complain. So yeah, as I said, I'll put up a list of stuff in my build, Evil Highways Mira, on dieforum.net, and you can check it out there. Okay, bye.